Kaput is a colloquial term that originated from German and has been adopted into English to convey the idea that something is broken, non-functional, or rendered useless. This informal expression is often used to describe objects, systems, or situations that have ceased to work or operate as intended. When something is labeled as kaput, it suggests that it is irreparable or beyond repair, signifying a state of complete and often irreversible dysfunction. The term kaput carries a sense of finality and straightforwardness. It is commonly used in informal conversations and contexts where a lighter or more casual tone is appropriate. For example, if a household appliance suddenly stops working, someone might exclaim, "It's kaput." Similarly, if a car experiences a major breakdown that is not worth fixing, it could be referred to as kaput. The origin of the word can be traced back to the German word Kaput, which has the same meaning. It made its way into English in the early 20th century, likely due to its simplicity and ease of pronunciation. Over time, kaput has become a recognized and widely used term in English-speaking cultures to describe situations of malfunction or irreparability. The term is highly versatile and can be applied to a range of scenarios. It can describe anything from electronic devices and machinery to plans, relationships, or even abstract concepts. Its informal nature and succinctness make it an appealing choice for expressing the idea that something has reached a state of disrepair. While kaput is a widely understood term, it is important to consider its appropriateness in different contexts. It is informal and may not be suitable for formal or professional discussions. In such settings, more formal language like non-functional, broken, or irreparable might be preferred. In conclusion, kaput is an informal term borrowed from German that conveys the concept of something being broken, non-functional, or beyond repair. It is commonly used in casual conversations to describe objects, systems, or situations that have ceased to work as intended. While widely recognized and accepted in informal contexts, its informal nature might not make it suitable for formal situations. Kaput has found a place in everyday speech due to its simplicity and ability to succinctly communicate the notion of irreparable dysfunction.